Hey guys, this is Harshita from Rotaract Club of Sri Krishna College of Technology. First, the question is, given a string that is like 1, 2, 3 or 4, 5, 6, we have to reverse like 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Likewise, first now dive into the code. There is a code starts with class. The name of the class is solution. We used public access specifier. The public access specifier means we can alter the variable outside the function also. This is a key benefit of public access specifier. Next, the line int reverse in the parameters int of x. That means here is a user defined function reverse where we can get the input of x in integer so that we can return in integer. Next, we have to store the variable answer is equal to 0 for further proceedings. Next, here we use while loop. While loop means until the value is assigned, it will run. Here the value assigned is 0. Until the value is 0, it will run again and again. Now let's go into the loop. Here int digit is equal to x modulus of 10. Here int digit, that means here digit is stored in integer that can be calculated by the input of variable x, that is modulus of 10. That is modulus means a remainder of the variable. That's it. Now this value is stored as digit. Now have to check the condition if the given answer is greater than the integer's maximum limit or less than integer's maximum limit. If it is yes, it will return 0 and it will continue into next loop. Like answer is equal to answer into 10 plus digit. Here answer is equal to, here we assigned answer value is 0. So 0 into 10 plus digit, where the digit is stored as earlier value, that is x modulus of 10. After proceeding this value, we come on to next line as x is equal to x by 10, where x is the input we got through the reverse function of int reverse int of x. That's it. After we return the answer, after the 3 iterations of loop, we get the answer as 1, 2, 3 as 3, 2, 1.